Hello and welcome back to another lecture. In this lecture, we are going to discuss about arrays class in Java. So let us start this lecture. So arrays class is a class in which there are some utility methods and it is a class used to manipulate arrays. So in the last lecture, we have seen about arrays. Arrays is a collection of similar data types. So it will consist of all similar data types. So this arrays class is a class which is available in the java.util package which allows the feature to manipulate arrays. For example, the operations such as searching, sorting, filling, copying, all the operations are supported in the arrays class. Now let us see some of the methods which are present in the arrays class. So the first method you can see it's a generic type method which will be a list as list, so it will convert the particular array into a list and it will supply the list to a particular array list so that the people will be able to process it in a collection fashion. So we'll discuss about collections in the coming lectures. And now get back to our lecture. In this lecture, next method is so binary search. So binary search is a process in which we will search a particular array, sorted array, and find the position of the element which we are searching for, and it will return the position of the particular element. And next method is copy of. So it will copy the particular array length. We will pass the length, whatever the length you want to copy, that much limit it will copy the arrays. And next method is fill method. So fill method will fill the particular array with a particular value. So if there is you want to initialize the array, so like that also it is possible to use the fill method. And next static method in the arrays class is sort method. So sort method is used to sort the particular array objects. So if array has some integer values and all, we can sort it directly using the sort method. And we will discuss about sorting when the arrays lesson will come, arrays practical programs will come. So now let us discuss about some programs based on the arrays. Now let us see a program based on arrays class. So arrays class belongs to the util package. So in this class there are many functionalities to process and manipulate the arrays. So let us see in this program. So let us start. So in this program I have declared an array, int array, and particular values have been initialized. And after that I am using the sort method to sort the particular array elements. So here you can see I'm using the sort method, and after that here you can see I am using a for enhanced for loop to iterate through each elements. So after sorting, whatever the elements will be there, that will be printed in that order. And after that I am using a binary search. So binary search will work on and sorted array, and it will find a particular element. I am searching for number 3 in the particular array. And after that I am using the fill method to fill the entire array with a particular value 1. So that's how I'm using all the arrays class methods. And finally I will iterate through and check whether how the arrays are getting filled. Let us see the output of this program. So here you can see the output as came. So first in a sorted order array is getting printed. Then after that binary search for the particular index value will return the particular index where the value is found. It is found at the second index. And after that I am using the fill method, and you can see after filling the array, all the array elements are getting to 1. So that's how you can use all the methods which are present in the arrays class. Now let us see another program based on the arrays class. Now in this program we are going to discuss about a user defined data type, and we will create an array of user defined data types. So like that we will try to sort the particular defined data type, and we also will try to copy elements from the particular data type array. So let us see the program. So here you can see this is a user defined data type which is continent, which has fields name and size. And after that I am using the constructor, and I am having I am trying implementing an interface which is called as comparable, you can see. So this comparable interface is implemented so that I will be able to sort the particular arrays. So if you don't implement this interface and try to sort a user defined array, then it will throw an error into the console. So we should not do that. So we should always use the comparable interface to implement make our array accessible and array sortable. And now let us see the how I am doing this process. So here the array comparable interface has one method which is called as a compare to method. So I am calling the compare to method, and then I am using the string classes compare to method indirectly, and I'm calling that method and comparing two values. So how it will work is like, if the values are both equal, it will return 1, it will return 0, sorry. And if the value is greater, then it will return 1. If the value is less, then it will return -1. That will be the comparison result, how it will work for compare to method. Now let us see the main method of this program. So here you can see the main method. I am creating the particular anonymous objects for each continent and initializing the array. That this is this part, and after that I am using that sort method directly. So here I will be able to sort because I am implementing the comparable interface in the particular user defined data type continent. Now let us discuss more. So here after that I am printing out the particular values, and finally I will use the copy method. So here you can see copy of method to print the particular value, to copy the particular values from the arrays. So from the array position from 0 to 3, I will be copying the particular elements like that. And finally I will use the arrays toString method, which is the toString implemented version of method which is present in the arrays class. So we can directly print the particular arrays in the form of square brackets. Inside that the values will come. Let us see the output to see more how the values are getting printed. Let us see the output. So here you can see the output. The values are getting correctly generated, and you can see how the values are getting printed for the particular arrays toString method. Inside square brackets, values are separated by comma, and like that it is getting printed. And you can see the initial values, all the values are lexicographically sorted based on their alphabetical order. So that's how we'll implement the user defined data type and do sorting in Java. So we will see in this lecture we are seeing about arrays class and methods of arrays class, such as sort, search, and other methods, copy method. Every method we have seen. So thank you for watching this lecture. I will be back with another lecture in the next video.